Today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a turn signal on a propane tanker trailer. So easy, anybody could do it. Welcome to the channel, everyone. I'm Eddie V, and today we're trucking and my turn signal stopped working properly, and I tried to play around with the plug, trying to move it around and everything for it to work, but as you can see, only one illuminates whenever it turns and it works, and that means it's time to replace one. Now, it's very simple, anyone can do it. The light, I got this at Flying J or Pilot. Anybody can get this at almost any truck stop. It's for sale. It's one of the most common turn signals you could ever find. It's the old school version. Basically, if your propane tanker, your gas tanker, you're driving your reefer, your step deck has this kind of style light, this video is for you. Now, if I ever will pull any other type of trailer and my light will go out, I will try to make a video on it, but it's all pretty much the same concept, especially if you got this kind of light. So, first things first, what do you want to do? There's a plug over here. You're gonna unplug this plug over here, like so. Preferably don't let it touch any metal, especially when the turn signal is on, so it won't short anything out. And then this rubber over here, that can be a little tricky. One method you could use is use a flathead screwdriver. This rubber seal around may be old and hard and very hard and tough to take out. Once you wiggle it around enough, this light should pop out with your hand, like so. And there he goes. That's how easy it is. On newer rubber, it's way easier, but you might need a push with the flathead screwdriver in order to get it to pop out because the rubber may be very old. Keep an eye on what it says in the front of the turn signal that you just bought when you open it up. So as you can see, it says front and in which direction, so which means this side of the bulb goes towards the front of the trailer, and then you would put it back into the rubber where it was at. I'm going to show that on video, but essentially you would just pop the light back into this rubber seal. It's like a little gap. And in my case, if you have a bracket or a rubber seal that's kind of bad, or it's not the exact fitment and you got nowhere else to go, you can use your own engineering, like zip ties like that, which I did. Which on your trailer, this should fit if not a problem. This would fit on my trailer, but that rubber is old and it's not holding anymore after. So the only way to fix this is zip ties. And the last part of the job that you need to do is plug it in, plug it back in. And that's should be real easy to do. You just plug it back in. And there you go. She's working like how she's supposed to. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2064 turn light. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.